What?
I'm a U.S. Marine, some bitch on a bike look like you. Just smack my mother mirror and challenge me to a throwdown.
That wasn't me. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. Huh?
I apologize.
Okay.
You understand? But I'm a colonel in the Marines from the Department of Defense and there's a war going on.
I'm also a Marine, and that wasn't me that hit your mirror.
I apologize, son.
Okay.
Do you see me now?
Oh my god. People with road rage. God. Maybe I can meet up with my friends again. Oh, good times. Good times. Thank God for traffic today. She's probably like way back there steaming right now. She's steaming! Did I rev my motorcycle at her car? Look at this guy come back.
Hey, are you guys stupid?
Are you stupid? We're off the side of the fucking road.
Off the road so you don't get killed.
We're off the side of the fucking road. Look, where's the line's right fucking here.
Hey, I'm just looking out for you, man. There's big cars coming by. Why would you want to be that close?
Because this is the dirt and these are fucking bikes. We're not on four wheels. We can't just go on dirt like.
How old are you guys?
Does it fucking matter?
Yeah.
Why?
Because you act like you're in kindergarten.
You're acting like you're in kindergarten because you can't see that we're on the side of the fucking road.
Just go, please. Just move on. We're adults. Just move on. You don't act like adults. You're parked right.
You're not acting like an adult right now. You're acting like a old bitch. Now get out of here. Fuck you. Get out of here. Fuck you.
Oh, they're street legal.
We're not.
Yeah, you are.
No, we're not.
You guys have license? Yep, they're street legal.
Yes, sir.
You have a motorcycle license?
You
Yes,
can't
sir.
be racing through a neighborhood like that. What are you guys, crazy?
Maybe a little.
What do you expect? Not in a neighborhood.
Well, where else do you want us to do it?
Well, if they're street legal, go out on the regular roads.
We do!
Wait,
Not in a neighborhood. You know what? I'm going to call the sheriffs.
Alright, go ahead.
Good.
Congrats.
You should not be
well,
in
they're
the...
street legal, so that, well, I mean, we apologize for riding in the neighborhood, but they're street legal, so they can't do anything, but we won't come back here.
Yeah.
Well, you better not.
Okay. We just really
Come
like
on,
the
use
turns
your
and stuff.
heads.
I have a really small head.
That's why we wear helmets.
Yeah.
Let's put it that way, alright? What?
Yes, sir.
Not in this neighborhood.
Okay.
Where do you guys live?
We live, like, close to the Penfield Airport border.
Then go that way. Really, I see you again, and I will call the sheriffs. And next time I'm going to get you on video, too. Not just your little go cam. Alright?
Oh, we got you on video, too, though.
Get out of the neighborhood.
Okay.
Alright, whatever you say.
Those things are mine. They'll belong to the sheriff's office. You understand what I just said to you? Yes? Where do you live?
We live like in Webster off of Plank.
What are you doing way down here?
Yeah, I don't know.
You rode those things all the way down here from Plank Road?
Yeah.
Take them home. Don't come back down here again.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead. All right. That's illegal. I can take them right now. Okay? I know you don't care, but you won't get them back.
No, we do care. We appreciate you,
All
Donna.
right? There's kids in there running down their driveways and stuff, and I got to worry about you two assholes going 50 miles per hour down a residential street. Do it in your own neighborhood.
Yes, sir.
Okay? And I'll send the deputies over there. Go now.
All right.
That's the key though, it really is. Just be smooth. You gotta lift off smoothly. That came up really high actually. Oh yeah! If I had a little more real estate, I might have been able to do well on that one. What is this guy doing? That is not a road. How's it going? How are you?
Go your own neighborhood. Stop
to run up and down the road because I'm going to have your license plate and the trooper's going to be here like they were the other day.
Okay.
Give you a heads up.
I'm sorry. I didn't know.
What's that?
What?
What's that, a camera?
Yeah. I'm sorry. I didn't know you. I didn't know it bothered you.
Disturbing the fucking neighborhood with the
I didn't know anybody could hear it. I'm sorry.
Neighborhood is doing.
I understand. I will. I'm sorry. Try to be nice.
Whoa! What are you doing? Oh my god, my heart dropped the whoop her ass right now. Yeah, you better I'm not letting you go. Right behind you. Where you gonna go? Oh, you better be scared for your life right now. I'm gonna yell at you so hard. Oh my god, come on, stop me at a light. Hey! Hey! Yeah, you better not look at me. Open your eyes up, nah. Hey! Look at me! Oh, you stopping at a light. Let's go. Open your window down. Open your eyes next time. You almost killed me. Open your eyes next time. Yeah, you want to race? Let's go.